Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Paigon. Do you copy and paste the same details for your description and tags for every video you upload to YouTube? Or worse, do you type it in every time you create a new video? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a default description and default tags, so you don't have to do that anymore. So the first thing you're going to do is open up a document and write out all the details that you want to include in every video you upload. So I like to use Google Docs. Okay, so first we have to make sure that we're logged into YouTube, of course. So we're going to go to this YouTube Studio beta. And if you're not in this beta, it should be Creator Studio. So you just click on it. Then we're going to go to Settings. And then Other Settings. And then Channel Branding. And then we're going to go right here under Channel. It says Upload Defaults. So this is how you change the defaults for your channel. So here's the description that I have. Like, subscribe to my channel. There's a link so you can subscribe to my channel. How to stay in touch. Like, here's a link to my blog post, my Instagram, my Twitter, my Facebook. And then I have free resources, YouTube video script template. So I'm just gonna copy and paste all of this. I'm just gonna select all, delete, and then paste everything. So you see, there's everything that I want on my description. And for these tags, I also want to change them. You want to add tags, basically keywords that are relevant to your channel. Like, first off, I want to add my name and my last name, Natasha Lane Design Company, and Natasha Lane Design. Then I want to add what my business is about, which is branding, YouTube tips, video tips, graphic design, and then that's it. And then I'm going to save. And then now this is going to be on every video that I upload automatically. Okay, your default description and default tags are set. If you want to grab the checklist on everything you need to do before you publish your video, you can get the link in the description and subscribe to get my latest videos. Until next week, bye.